Let's get your new Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 7 router up and running. We'll walk through each step of the initial setup and activation process. First, unbox your router and identify all the components. You should have the router unit, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick setup guide. Connect the coax cable to your cable outlet, then to your modem. This provides the internet signal from your service provider. Next, use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the internet port on the router. This creates the connection between your modem and router. Power on the modem and wait for it to fully boot up. The indicator lights will show the connection status. Wait for them to turn solid blue or green. Once the modem is ready, power on the router. The front panel light should turn solid blue or green to indicate a successful internet connection. Now grab your smartphone or tablet and connect to the default Wi-Fi network listed on the router's label using the default password provided. Great, your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router is now connected and ready for the next step. In the next section, we'll activate and personalize your network using the My Spectrum app. Now that your router is connected, it's time to activate and personalize your network using the My Spectrum app. This powerful app gives you complete control over your Wi-Fi network and connected devices. First, download and install the My Spectrum app from your device's app store. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and provides a user-friendly interface for managing your network. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using your existing Spectrum username and password. If you're a new customer, you can easily create an account directly through the app or on Spectrum's website. After signing in, the app will automatically detect your new router and guide you through the activation process. This typically takes just a few moments and ensures your service is properly configured. Once activated, you can personalize your Wi-Fi network for better security and easier identification. Change your network name, also called the SSID, to something memorable, and update your password to something strong and secure. For optimal performance, place your router in a central, open location in your home. Keep it off the floor and away from walls, metal objects, and other electronics that might interfere with the signal. The My Spectrum app offers many additional features to help you manage your network. You can view and manage all connected devices, troubleshoot connection issues, and easily set up a guest network for visitors. Your network also comes with Security Shield protection at no additional cost. This advanced security feature automatically protects all your connected devices from online threats, malware, and suspicious activity, giving you peace of mind. Congratulations! Your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router is now fully activated and personalized. You can enjoy blazing fast speeds, enhanced security, and complete control over your network through the My Spectrum app. Your home is now ready for the future of wireless connectivity.